Hello students, today let us discuss a problem on the refrigerator. So here they have given that the refrigerator maintains the food compartment at 3 degrees Celsius by removing heat at a rate of 450 kilojoules per minute. So if the required power input to the refrigerator is 2.2 kilowatt, they are asking us to determine the coefficient of performance of the refrigerator. So what is the rate at which the heat is removed? That is QL, that is heat rejection, is given as 450 kilojoules per minute. And then they're saying that if the power input, power input, that is W, that is the power given, it is 2.2 kilowatt. Now how do you convert this kilojoules per minute into kilojoules per second? Just divide it by 60 to convert it into kilojoules per second. So we will get it as 7.5 kilojoules per second, or we can write it as kilowatt also, because joules per second is watt. Now they are asking us to calculate the COP, that is coefficient of performance of the refrigerator. So which is given by COP is equals to Q of cold divided by, that is heat rate, cold minus of hot. So in terms of COP, we write it as QC divided by QC minus Q hot, or we can write it as 7.5 kilowatt divided by 2.2, that is the rate at which the heat is removed divided by the power input required, that is in watt. So the answer we get is 3.40991. So this is the COP of the refrigerator, that is coefficient of performance of the refrigerator. So I hope you have understood the simple problem which we have just solved. Thank you.